thought we'd tell everyone the story, okay?
How funny!
Once upon a time, deep in the jungle, there lived a beautiful princess, but what was her name?
Lolita!
Wait a second. What was your name?
Lolita!
Oh, I see what she did there. She named the Princess Lolita because she was so beautiful, didn't she? Well, she was very pretty.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine, Lolita. How are you?
Pretty bird.
Yes, you are a very pretty bird. Well, let's get back to our story, okay?
Okay.
Princess Lolita was fond of this brave young warrior named...
They love each other.
Let's get back to our story, okay?
Okay.
Princess Lolita and Pete were strolling through the woods one day when all of a sudden they came across something very scary. It was a ghost. A very scary ghost. And Princess Lolita was so scared that she screamed. But there was no need to fear. Pete came to the rescue with this big ferocious tiger, which actually sounded a little bit like this. Here, kitty kitty. Yep. Big tiger, yeah? But it did scare the ghost away. And Princess Lolita was so happy that she decided to sing her song of joy. Are you ready to warm up? Oh, which translates to I got a beautiful feeling. Way Lolita, everybody! Oh guys, believe me or not, Princess Lolita and Pete lived happily ever after, never to see that scary ghost again. Hey Lolita, is there anything you'd like to say?
Bye!
Can you say it again?
Bye!
That's Lolita's story, and she's sticking to it. Lolita, everybody, our yellow native Amazon.